What happens when a drone comes along and rewrites how you're even supposed to fly? That's exactly the conversation around the Antigravity A1. This isn't just another camera in the sky. It's a flying 360-degree recording machine capturing everything everywhere in 8K. And the deeper you look, the more it becomes clear why this might be the biggest shift in aerial filmmaking in years. There's a moment where all the pieces click, and after that you won't look at drone shots the same way again. The A1 changes the core philosophy of flying. Traditional drones demand perfect timing and precise camera direction, but the A1 throws that pressure out entirely. Its dual lens system records a complete 360-degree sphere, and you choose your framing afterward. It feels strange at first because you're no longer aiming, you're just flying. But once the workflow sinks in, the freedom is remarkable because missing the moment becomes almost impossible. This is where things really get interesting. The type of shots usually associated with an Inspire 3 and a two-person crew, one piloting, one operating the camera, suddenly become achievable by a single pilot. You can navigate tight paths, pass moving subjects, change speed mid-flight, and the camera still captures every angle. In post, creators simply pick the best perspective. It's like shooting an entire scene in one take, then deciding all your camera moves afterward. Compared directly, the difference is clear. Traditional drones lock you into whatever you captured in the moment, while the A1 lets you shape the shot later. And for solo creators, that changes everything. Early pilots describe the experience as part FPV, part VR, and completely new. The Vision goggles feel closer to a modern VR headset than old-school FPV screens, giving a clean, immersive view without seeing the drone's nose. The grip controller feels unusual at first, but becomes natural quickly, almost like flying with a compact aircraft stick. Add in fast-reacting obstacle avoidance, and the system creates a flight experience that feels confident, intuitive, and far more immersive than typical drones. In bright light, the A1's 8K 360 footage reframes beautifully into clean, detailed 4K shots. Low light still introduces some noise, but the results remain workable with light processing. Where the A1 shines is in fast-paced environments where traditional framing is nearly impossible. Mountain biking, skiing, drifting, trail running, urban movement. The drone's job becomes simple: fly safely, keep moving, and let the footage be shaped later. For creators who value flexibility and speed, the A1 opens doors that standard drones can't. What makes the A1 important is that it doesn't try to beat DJI at their own game. It creates a new one. Insta360 and Antigravity didn't enter the traditional drone war. They sidestepped it entirely with a new workflow and a new category, and DJI clearly noticed because their Avata 360 just passed FCC approval, signaling the first real competitor in this emerging space. After years of predictable drone releases, we suddenly have innovation that genuinely forces pilots to rethink what's possible in the air. That doesn't happen often. So now the real question: does full 360 capture excite you, or do you still prefer the precision of traditional framing? Drop your thoughts below, and if this breakdown helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.